Think about the light in your home right now. Is it just on? Most people treat lighting as a utility, something that simply exists to illuminate a space. But what if light could actually set the mood? What if it could participate in your routine, reacting to your actions or even helping you wind down at night? That's the difference this system makes. It's not just about brightness, it's about atmosphere. This Philips Hue starter kit changes how you perceive the space you live in, moving it from basic illumination to a curated experience every single day. I spent weeks testing this system, pushing its limits, and the results are genuinely impressive for the price point. I need to be clear that I am not sponsored by Philips or any smart home brand. I bought this kit purely as a consumer who was deeply frustrated with the limitations of standard overhead fixtures. I remember trying to set a reading nook, and the light was either too harsh, giving me headaches, or too dim to read by. I kept thinking, why can't I dial the light down to something softer, something that feels natural, but still gives enough output? The physical reality of poor lighting, the yellow cast, the blinding glare, was genuinely annoying. It felt like a constant, subtle impediment to enjoying my own house. Over the course of my testing, I discovered several features that genuinely elevate the setup. First, the sheer color depth is remarkable. You have access to 16 million colors and 50,000 shades of white. It's far beyond simple warm or cool tones. Second, the app control is incredibly intuitive. You can create custom scenes, say, a dinner party scene, that adjust the brightness and color across multiple bulbs simultaneously. Third, integrating it with voice assistants like Alexa is straightforward, telling your lights to dim or change color is effortless. Fourth, the ability to schedule routines is powerful. I set a good morning routine that gradually brightens the bedroom lights over 30 minutes, mimicking a sunrise. Fifth, and this is a big one, the system's ability to pair with existing smart systems, like Nest, makes expansion simple. You can control it with your phone, or simply with your voice. Compared to high-end, custom architectural lighting systems that cost upwards of $300 for a single zone, this starter kit, at $9.99, offers tremendous capability. If I had to name one minor drawback, it's that the initial setup requires downloading the specific app and pairing the bridge, which takes a few minutes of focused attention. Imagine this, it's Saturday night, and you've finished a long week. You settle onto the couch, ready to watch a movie. Instead of the harsh glare from the overhead fixture, you simply tell the system to activate cinema mode. The entire room subtly shifts to a deep, warm blue, and the ambient light focuses only on the screen area. The effect is immediate, creating a cozy, cinematic bubble that makes the whole experience feel more immersive and less like just watching TV in a room. It genuinely improves the whole atmosphere. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.